So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use trained lines in analytics pane in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail data set, and in the report pane, I have already made one line chart which displays sales by order date. Now let's say we want to find out the trend of our sales, whether it is going upwards or downwards. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, select this visual, and in the visualization pane there is one option known as analytics. So just go over there, and there is one option known as trained line. So since we need to add trained line, I will click on this and we'll just click on add. So we have added one trained line over here, and this tells us that the trend of our sales is going upwards, but with very few margin. And if you want to change the color, we can just go over here, let's say this one. In this way, we can add trained lines in our visual. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.